I got some songs already selected that I've been wanting to react to, but want to send them and request them. You see me? I say, yeah, man, my thing, man. Yeah, well, a vibe. Everybody I deal with. I deal with in the night. Yeah. Who got work in the morning? Who got school in the morning? Let me know. Let me know. Drop in the comment section. Reaction boss, what you deal with? So we'll get the thing there up and down where you can come join in the live, my G. You see me? I'm see everybody in the chat, man. Big up on the damn self. So go look with the all the vibes and go and build back. Make sure you like up the live as you come in and them thing there. Next one I want to check out the gang is Pablo IG Can't Robot. One I'm sure I've been react to it. Dropped a couple of hours ago. I'm dropping. Yes, I'm dropping. I forgot I've been added up on my screen, but yeah, we're gonna deal with it right now. So that I gotta deal with the bad Juvie in town. Yo, who not listen to Pablo my album yet? If you haven't listened to your album, make sure you go check it out. Excuse me, gang. If you haven't listened to your album yet, make sure you go check it out. It's fire. No cap. Fire, man. Man dropped some hard tracks. Lately, he's been dropping videos and stuff from his album. But other than, that's why you haven't seen much track from him, because we know say you want him album circulate on them thing there. You see me I say? Yeah, man. But yeah, man, I've been dropping some videos from tracks off it. I can't remember if Can't Robot is on his. I think this is a new track, a new single. You see me? But we're gonna check it out right now, gang, and see what dog deal with. Now we'll advise much longer. Let's jump right into it. This Pablo IG Can't Robot. Let's get it, gang.
Yo, Phantom.
I feel like yo, fighter. Mr. Madonna, please.
Hey, me don't know what about Pablo. Pablo just have a star quality. You see me? I say no cap. Dog just have a level of star quality, and he's young, so I'm a far figure. You see me? I say no cap, man.
Madonna, please. On the air, Mr. Madonna, yeah. It's your Madonna, please. My thing, girl, like Madonna, see. My drip, like Madonna, race. Excavator for clear anything in our way. Oh, what's up, things?
It's your Madonna, please. Things safe, like Madonna, safe. Alright. Come in, dog. Come in. Probably always have a nice little, almost commercial, almost street sound at the same time.
Madonna, please. My thing, girl, like Madonna, safe. My drip like Madonna, race. Excavator for clear anything in our way. Oh, what's up, things over there, I kill when you hear.
Excavator there for clear anything in our way, no man. I want to man. And him man not talk.
Clear anything in our way. Oh, what's up, things over there, I kill when you hear. Boy, them a running ground on for beer. I when my buck up on my gun on the tongue on for blame. Pussy love chatting off the nigga can like shit.
Yo, this shit hard. Nigga wanna stop me now. We nigga in our way 7 day night care. On my buck your road, your tongue you for blame. I want to hear you chat.
I when my buck up on my gun on the tongue on for blame. Pussy love chatting off the nigga can like shit. I bitch that. A Juvie never go shot style. She love the way I'm talk, me make that money. Now fast. Plus my call when I talk for my fuck them gal harder. Fuck them gal harderly. None me no partial. When my fuck me no call back. Save my numbers drunk. And when my first time wine I can't see me I call back. I'ma tell you something, you see what you need to.
Yeah, Robo. We know say that dog that about. Me see the title. I know he was talking about from the J Free interview. You see me and say?
I'ma tell you something, you see what you need to.
Yeah, Robo.
It's your Madonna, please. Thing girl like Madonna, safe. My drip like Madonna, race. Excavator for clear anything in our way. Oh, what's up with things over there, I
care. I want you. Yeah, man, excavator there for clear the way. One stop it thing 7 day night care, brother.
Yeah, when they hear. Boy, them a running ground on for beer. I when my buck up on my gun on the tongue on for blame. Pussy love chatting off the nigga can like shit. Today I'ma feel great, thank God me never lazy. Going through the gate, society can't tame me. A talent over fame, my title and my name. I count enough for jail.
I wonder if Pablo can fly. If he dog can fly that, he make some trip, you know. You see me, come see certain artists that make some move. You see me, I say?
Enough money now, my savings. Risk of it take a man, I forget. Thank God we never shame out, I must can't face it. Legacy for set on no fear. Legacy for set.
I said, thank God me never shame. I said, me never afraid. Motamasi can't shame me. Motamasi the channel or just, you know, the saying.
You know, prepare some pussy go to dead before we die in that place. My thing girl like me day in our safe. My drip hard like me day in our race. Excavator for clear anything in our way. Who wants stop the things every day in our care when they hear. Boy, them a running ground on no for beer. How when my buck up on my gun on no tongue on no for blame.
That bad, bro. Big up Pablo. Pablo going hard. This nigga does, bro. Yeah, man. This man have star quality, bro. And the sound when I coming. Yo, is he related to Javilani, bro? Is Pablo related to Javilani? Cause they have a similar vibe. Very marketable. It's gangster. Is very, you know what I'm saying? Vibe. Yeah, man. Shout out to Javilani too. But let me know if they're related, gang.
She love chatting off the nigga king like shit. A Juvie never go short style. She love the way me talk. Me make that money and fast. Plus my call when I talk for me. Fuck them gal harder. Fuck them gal hardly. None me no partial. When me fuck me no call back. Save my numbers drunk. And when my frost and wine I can't see me I call back.
Easy no man, Tio man. I got the dodge there, the wrong
one thing me no call. Girl have to see that and call back. Don't set me feel like my father, feel like my father.
Mama different, yeah. You know, two Simmons.
Yeah, man.
Easy now. Yeah, man, that like in Uptown.
Very nice. Try learn that.
I got two little chocolate Simmons to live. Easy now, man. Wanna do drift door. Easy that.
Juvie there in our place.
Bad Juvie. Robo. The Juvie there in our place in a year. In a year. Yeah, man. Pablo, man. Real Pablo, man. Young dog do him thing, man. You see me I say keep showing face stars. Gee. You see me I say, yeah, man. You're very talented. Clarity today, style today. Think the lyrics today, everything. I do him thing, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man takes a day they have to clear the way. You see me any boy when I wear 7 day and I care. Say, you know, say, man says when I run the place enough to behave. I'm a bucket with my gun and the tongue enough to blame. Easy that one, that bad. Yeah, man. So, yo, I know anything about that one, the gang, that mafia. You see me, I know in the comment section. You see me? Make sure you drop on a request. I request them there. You drop on a request them, man. You see me?